Hey YouTube, JT here. I wasn't planning on shooting a video tonight, but I just watched Cutlerylover's video on his Victorinox Soldier, the silver Alex version that you see here. So I left a comment. I was telling him how I had two. My older one's been riding on my keyring for the past year, and then I bought another one in 2007 just to have a spare. You know, my rule of two. But I was disappointed in the new one. So here's the new one. I don't know if you can make out in there. 2007. It's etched on the blade. Anyhow, it doesn't have a keyring attachment. So this is a Victorinox Soldier. My older model. Now this one you can't really see. Is it says 1996 is the etching. It's a Wegner Soldier. It's the same thing. You see how right here, keyring attachment. The Swiss had two companies, I believe, Wegner and Victorinox. So they would have fair commerce. But in 2005, Victorinox bought out Wegner. I'll leave more information in the sidebar. Like I said, I left a comment on Cutlerylover's video, but pictures speak louder than words. Alright? So, a simple video. No zombies. No psychotic episodes. No boozing and whoring. Alright, guys. Watch your six. JT out.